Make every post your own. Enable quote post and start creating conversation on Bluesky within a few simple steps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to enable show quote post on Bluesky Social App. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Start by tapping the Bluesky icon on your device. Once you're inside, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the app's menu. From the option that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Content and Media, then on the following feed preferences. Here toggle the switch beside the Show Quote option. Now whenever you see a post you want to comment and share, you can quote easily. So this is how to enable Show Quote post on Bluesky Social App. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.